217 grand update video. Let's go inside. Got a lot done. This one's probably has another 2.5 weeks, maybe. 2 to 3 weeks, I guess would be a better statement. Let's go down here. Central Arizona works great. You can see here they got all this down here to do the bathroom, which already been plumbed in as I showed you last week. So that's all done, all trashed out, ready to go. Here's this. So they put some stuff here. They sprayed stuff on here, which is really good because it smells really fresh in here now. So he's going to have to order that new heater too. Here's the kitchen. So we're getting all this cleaned out. He's getting all this all come out. He'll start painting here shortly. And we'll get this thing rolling on that. And then we're going to have this sprayed. They're supposed to be out. New toilet, pretty much new everything in here. Except for, I don't know if we have to spray that. I mean, I think we're spraying. Yeah, we're spraying the shower. So we're going to put new luxury vinyl throughout. Of course, those are getting replaced. And new closet door. Same thing in here. We're going to take this one out, this door, and we're going to put double there. It's going to be nice on that. And we'll put luxury vinyl through the whole house here. Living room, bedrooms, and this upstairs bedroom too. So you can see all this. So this is all getting, they've already taped it off the paint. So I think he was starting over here tomorrow on the interior paint, but they got all the plumbing done. They got a lot done. They're really moving along really good here. We'll get this one done pretty quick. Like I said, about another 3 weeks. 217 grand. I'm Brett, Key Realty, 216-703-5740. If you have any questions, thanks.